Here I've got LGK9 and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So let's start with the quick method. Slide down the upper bar to open the options, select Do Not Disturb mode, click on it to activate it, and that's it. As you can see, DND mode is on, and if you'd like to switch it off, simply tap on the same icon one more time. So let's go back to the home screen, and now you can also access DND mode through the settings. So let's open the settings at first. Then go to the Sound and Notifications tab, scroll down and click on Do Not Disturb. Now you can use DND mode simply by tapping here, and from now on it's active. And you can also pick the mode, so click on Mode, and you can either have priority only or total silence. So in priority only, you can hear the priorities and alarms, and in total silence, nothing is able to ring, or you are not able to hear any sounds or alerts. And that's all. You can also select priorities. Here, click on priorities and you can select app notifications, calls from. Let me allow calls from, for example, favorites. Then you can allow repeat callers function. So if you click over here, anytime some person will call you for the second time within a 15-minute period of time, it will allow it. And also you can allow messages from someone, so let me pick from everyone, and let's go back. You can also schedule DND mode, so if you will click on schedule, you can pick some particular rule, which is weekend or weeknight, or just add yours by tapping on the plus icon, then select calendar or weekly, it's up to you. Select schedule name, so let me pick hard reset. Click on save, then pick from which calendars. It can be all just from phone, so let me pick phone. Then invited events, attending and maybe attending, and finally select the mode, so let me pick total silence. And if you truly want to have it, click on save. And that's it. Anytime some event is taking place, this mode will be active. You can obviously deactivate it by tapping on this switcher, or you can permanently delete this rule by tapping on the bin icon and then select the rules that you would like to delete. Click on delete to remove them permanently. And that's it. So that's basically all. This is how you can activate, use and personalize your DND mode in LGK9. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.